Hello friends, in this video we are going to get the user information like address, first name, last name, email, everything via REST API of a customer. So let's start with it. So this is the customer user info. We are going to change all the things. Get user info, the controller. Let's remove the custom helper, we don't require it. This is the API. Here we get the customer session, get customer ID. So we need to log in first, then it will get the session for the customer ID. And after that, customer he will get the customer data, first name, last name, email, and it will set success. If it has the customer image, then it will send the first name, last name. We can also make the address object of also, but here only the this we will never get it because it's not the attribute. So customer image we not get the first name, email, last name. Let's print what the customer data we are getting so we can bind in that an object. Okay, so this is done. This is the small API. Okay, the customer data, get customer from the session info and all. Okay, fine, get user info. So let's run the command and check the API is working or not. So this API, let's move to the next command. Oh shit, upgrade command is left. This is done. Let's go to the, let's rename this set address to get user info and make this get request. Let's log in first so that the session will going to create it. Let's hit this API. This is get user info. See, first name, last name, and email we are getting from the profile. So this is get user info to get all the details of the user. Let's check whether we are getting the user addresses or not. So let's, what the information we are getting here. Let's print this customer data. 500 error. Get data. Get data is working. No, it's not working. Query. Customer data. But it's not getting this one. It's a checked, I guess. Vadam. That's the memory again. It will come. So it will not returning that option, that much option. Okay, fine. This is how we can return the customer information: first name, last name, email. Anything that we miss: first name, last name, email. Yeah, this is the things that we are getting from that one. Okay, so this how we can get from the user info API. So hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do comment and like to get more updates. Thank you so much.